Alright, Minecrafters, welcome to this Minecraft video here on the channel. This is going to be another Minecraft command blocks tutorial video, and I'm going to be showing something pretty cool with this boat right here. So we have another detector in this tutorial. So these two command blocks right here is actually the detector, and currently this is not activated, but if I get inside of a boat, you can see that the detector is now activated since it's actually found a player inside of a boat nearby. So that is what I'm going to be showing you, a detector that actually looks at if a player is inside of a boat, pretty much. So that is the check we're going to do here. So a player in a boat detector using command blocks. So this should work for Minecraft 1.21.3 and above on the Java edition only. And to get this to work, what we're actually checking on the nearest player in this case is there's a special tag on the player that gets filled in when you get inside of a boat or when you use other things like a horse, for example. So anything that the player can use to move around. So there's a RootVehicle tag that gets filled in, and that is what we're checking with this detector here. So just to explain quickly how this detector is actually working, we have a string of command blocks flowing into each other. So a repeating and a chain command block. They are both always active so they can run without redstone. And this first command block right here actually tries to reset the system in the first case. So the first step is to reset the system. So that allows the detector to be reactive to what it's actually searching for. And then this chain command block does the magic where it checks the player for the root vehicle. And if it finds what it's searching for, it will then place a redstone lamp on the detector. So that is how that works. And as you can see here, it activates instantaneously pretty much and turns off very, very quickly. So that is about it right there. And what we're essentially using an execute command if the entity, the nearest player, meets a certain condition. So I'm now going to show you in a text editor so I can show you the commands in more detail. Alright everyone, we're now inside the text editor right here, and I would urge you to watch this part of the video so you can understand what is going on, how the command is actually working, and so you can learn more about the commands themselves. And these commands will be in the description of the video, so you can copy and paste them into your Minecraft and have a look for yourself. But the first command right here is what is used by the detector to essentially reset the system. So all we're doing is setting the block to air above, like one block above the start of the detector here. So that is pretty like self-explanatory there. Now this is the magic right here. This is the main thing that you learn in this tutorial. And that is that we're using an execute if entity command, and we're checking if the nearest player at E meets a certain condition. So inside of here, we're checking some data tags here, and we are checking the root vehicle. So we have root vehicle entity, and then we are checking for an ID, which is Minecraft : mangrove boat. So that is the type of boat we are checking for. There's actually different entity IDs for each of the different types of boats. So if you're in an oak boat, for example, it would be oak boat instead. Same for birch and so on. So you can understand that this is checking per type of boat. So you can't really check for any boat, but you can check for a particular type of boat depending on what the circumstance actually is. Now, when this condition is actually met, it then runs a setblock command and puts a lit redstone lamp on the detector. And in both cases, these commands are using relative coordinates, which work in my particular case for this detector. And that is it pretty much. It's pretty easy. And, hopefully this helps you in this case if you're trying to figure this out. Alright everyone, thank you for watching this video right here. If you did enjoy this video and you learned something new and to support the channel, be sure to like, share and subscribe. It would be very much appreciated, and make sure that you hit the bell so you're notified of new videos here on the channel. Want to follow my socials, they're on screen and in the description. And if there's any other tutorials you want me to do, let me know in the comments down below and I may do it for a future video. Stay happy and healthy everyone, have fun with this and hopefully you learn something new. See you in the next video.